Greetings from sunny west side. I'm just going to show you 3 different exercises that are going to help you achieve that first push-up and first pull-up. I suppose you've the hard work done, in that the hardest thing usually to do in order to increase your chance of getting a push-up and a pull-up is to reduce body weight, and you've done that, so that's super. It should be easy from here. The 3 movements I'm going to show you, you can do anywhere. You don't really need equipment except a broom handle and just a light band, just like I'm using here. The first one I'm going to show you is, actually you do need something else, you need a chair. So the first one I'm going to show you is, it's a push-up, but you're just going from a box or a chair or some kind of elevated area. We do these in class sometimes, but these are super because you have to go right down to the bottom, and you just practice that part where you're pushing off the bottom, which is the hardest part of a push-up. So I'm putting my hands on the chair, make sure the chair is pushed in against something. My body's in a straight line, so I'm tucking my bum and tucking my ribs down. It's my palms are on the edge, so my wrists are kind of over the edge, if that makes sense. And then it's just keep that body position and bend your elbows, and when you get to the chair, you push to come back out of it. And if it's too hard at that angle, go to a higher angle. The higher the angle, the easier it's going to be, and your goal can be to reduce the angle. Other 2 movements, first thing we're going to do is we're going to build our lat strength with a really simple move, using this PVC this band, seated ring row. You're going to use your band, you're going to sit really upright with your shoulders away from your ears, and then you're going to pull to your elbows are behind you. So you should be feeling the squeeze between your shoulder blades, kind of about here. That's your second one. Your third one, again using the band, also going to use a broom handle. You're going to tie it through. You're then, it's going to be a bit weird in my camera, but you're going to tie it around something. I'm using the stump of a random piece of ivy. You're going to get a little bit of resistance on the band. Then I'm going to get on the ground, get into a hollow. So feet up, shoulders up, arms are like the width they'd be apart if you were on the rig. Then you're going to pull towards your hips, like so. Should be a bit of resistance on the band. That's what we're looking for. If that's too hard for now, I'm going to do the same thing standing up. You'd have to have the band tied up a bit higher to make this work properly. But you want to start, I don't know if you can see me at all, I can't see the screen. Arms up high and then pulling down towards your hips. Stay in that hollow if you can. And if you can, start up fully up overhead, pulling down. The rep scheme on all of this is dependent on where you're at. So I would go for as many reps as possible of each, while maintaining good form. If you find the form is starting to break down, that's your end point for now. Rest as much as you need to in between each set, to allow you to get the same or maybe slightly less in the next round, and do 3 rounds. 4 rounds would be fine. Whenever you want. These are kind of low impact movements, so you can kind of do them any day you want, every day, any day, and the more often you do them, the better. But if you wake up a day and you're like, my lats are really sore, my chest is really sore, then that'll be the day to give it a break. Enjoy.